This is Greg Mikulowski with the Forex Quick for the sterling versus US dollar, brought to you by FXDD. Let's take a look at the 5-minute chart here in the sterling versus US dollar. It might be signaling that the market is ready to try another leg to the downside. We just tested the 100-hour moving average about 6 or 7 bars ago on the 5-minute chart. That'd be about 35 minutes ago, and the market started its move to the downside. We've stalled here at the lows from earlier in the day, but really that's just minor support. We have other support down here at the lows for the day at around the 153.51 level, which also 38.2% retracement of the move higher from the lows. Actually, I'll take a look at the hourly chart. You can see that from the lows going back to April 8th to the highs that we had in here today. 38.2 comes in at 53.53. Where might be the additional support? I'm going to go back to the 5-minute chart, and you look at this trend line here that connects this low to this low off the 5-minute chart, comes in at the 153.42-ish type area. We'll be looking support at that level. That would be a target level for the sterling versus US dollar in the shorter term. Taking a look at the longer term perspective, however, we do have this 53.53, which is 38.2% retracement of the last move to the upside. A break of that level could see the market head on down toward a 52.95 level. That's a 100-hour moving average. Of that certainly would be a target for that pair on the downside. Additional support will likely come in at the 52.18 level. That's the highs from last one of the peaks from last week. That would be on, what is that, Monday for that currency pair, and also the 50% retracement of this move up from this low to this high. So anyway, it looks like the pound sterling may be making a break. What is the risk? The risk is if the price moves above perhaps the close from Friday, which comes in at 78, or if you'd be a little more aggressive, above the 82 level, or basically 78 to 82 level, that would be the risk if the market heads above those levels, and all bets off for this currency pair. But right now, bias seems a little bit to the downside for the sterling versus US dollar. It's Greg Mikulowski from FXD.